Part D, which is not even hard. Limit as x goes to 2. Maybe let me move backwards. Part D is going to be the limit as x goes to 2 of x squared plus x minus 6 all over x minus 2. What is this going to be? It's going to be the limit as x. What you're going to see here is, first of all, when you get a fraction, remember, for things that are not fraction, it was easy with substitute. Not even a problem. Now, when you get a fraction, you are going to try substitution first. And when you try substitution, you are testing the denominator. What we know about a fraction is the denominator should not be 0. Okay, the denominator should not be 0. So if I put where there is x, remember that this is substitution. So where there is x, we are approaching 2. So where there is x, I'm now going to put 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0, and that makes the denominator 0. So you can't do substitution. Now you go to the other 3 methods, which is one we said factorization, the other one is expanding, the other one is rationalizing if you have roots. So in here, I can see that this has to be factorization, okay? So I'm going to do the factorization. In here, we've done this factorization before in one of the previous questions, and you saw it was x plus 3 multiplying x minus 2. So it still comes, the limit still comes, limit as x comes to 2, goes to 2 of x plus 3 multiplying x minus 2 all over x minus 2. Okay, if you want to see how we factorize this, we take this negative 6, we put it on a t, negative 6, and we put the factors of 6, which is 1 and 6, 2 and 3. Then now we see that it's a negative 6, so we know that 1 and 6 are going to have different signs, and 2 and 3 are going to have different signs. But we don't know yet, is 1 the one that's positive or negative? So we come and check the middle thing. The sign of the negative thing is the sign of the bigger one. So that means 6 is positive, 3 is positive. That means these are the negative ones, right? So what do I have now? Minus 1 and 6 and minus 2 and 3. Which one will add to give me this plus 1? Because they should multiply to give you minus 6 and add to give you plus 1. This will never add to give me plus 1. 6 minus 1, it will never. 3 minus 2, yes, so it's going to be x plus 3 and x minus 2. Then what do? I cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2. Therefore, I'll have the limit as x approaches 2 of x plus 3. And here we are going to do substitution now because this is a polynomial. On a polynomial, we substitute, which is just one thing which is lying on the ground. So where there's x, we're now putting 2. So it's going to be 2 plus 3, and this is going to be 5. And you are done. This is going to be the solution, and you would be done. Now we do part E in the next one. Goodbye for now.